Hi everybody, my name is Scott. I'm a medical student at the University of Toledo, and today we are going to talk about how we grow. So if you have baby pictures of yourself, or maybe you have a little brother or sister, you may wonder how you went from being a small baby to a kid, and later you will become an adult like your parents and teachers. Everyone starts as a baby and then becomes older and bigger as time goes on. So the question is, how does this happen? We will start by looking at a drawing that I made in a video about the cell a few weeks ago. If you remember, we learned that everything that is alive is made up of cells. We have over 30 trillion cells in our body, and these cells will make up tissues like muscle, and then these tissues will make organs like our heart and our skin, and then a combination of all of this makes us human. So the important part of all of this is that cells make up everything that is alive. So in order to grow bigger, we need more cells. In the cell video, we looked at how people are made of cells. Now, we are going to look in the opposite direction and look at how cells make people grow. So a cool fact is that we all start as one tiny cell. Now over time, that cell will grow and divide, and this will make two cells. Then after this, the cells will grow and divide again. So now we went from 2 cells to 4 cells. And then again, the cells will grow and make 8 cells. So we went from 1 to 8 cells after just a few divisions. After this happens many times, the cells will start to group together in different patterns. And these will start to make tissues, organs, and then finally it will make a baby. Now, how will this baby grow to make an older kid? Well, we need to make more cells. So as a baby, your cells will keep growing and growing until you become bigger. However, there is one important part that we are missing. How do these cells grow? Well, we need food. I showed you this picture before of how one cell makes 2 cells. In order for this to happen, our cells need energy, and we get this energy from the food that we eat. That is why we get so hungry. When we eat, we give our body the energy it needs to grow big and strong. If we go back to looking at how the baby becomes a bigger kid, the baby will eat a lot of food. This will cause more cells to grow, and then after time, our bodies will grow to become bigger. And then, after even more time, the girl here will eat more food and get more energy until her cells divide more and more over time. And finally, she will become an adult. Alright, now let's look one last time at how this happened just like we did at the beginning. The baby will eat a lot of food when growing up, and after a lot of time, this will give our bodies the energy it needs to grow more cells. As we get more and more cells, we will grow bigger, taller, and stronger. Something very similar to this is how plants grow. If you have ever planted a flower before at home or maybe in school, you will see it grow more and more every day. So, how does this happen? Just like us, plants will start as one plant cell. Then, instead of eating food like pizzas and salads, plants like to eat sunlight. That is why it is so important to water your plants and keep them in sunlight. They actually use the sun as food. Over time, the energy from the sun will make more and more food so that the cells can grow and become a flower. Alright, that is all I have for this week. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.